Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. And we begin with our regular Wednesday story about gas prices. They're actually going down tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Automotive diesel is costing 25 cents more, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is down by $1. The price of kerosene will decline by $3. Propane is down 27 cents, while butane is selling for 39 cents more. And oil prices fell today after U.S. President Donald Trump announced that Iran was backing off its retaliatory stance. Oil for delivery in February lost 15 cents to settle at $62.70 per barrel. The Jamaica National Group has apologized for and withdrawn references it made about Iran and the United States government. In a cybersecurity advisory yesterday, the JN Group said there is heightened risk of cyber attacks from hackers affiliated with Iran's government. Tension is high between Iran and the United States since the recent killing of the Iranian top general. TVJ's Andrew Ladley has more.
With tension heightening in the Middle East after Friday's killing of Iran's top general by the U.S., the Jamaica National Group Cybersecurity Unit warned its customers to exercise increased vigilance when using email communications at this time. The statement indicated that customers could be vulnerable to a cyber attack from Iran, which has a history of launching such attacks, the most recent happening in 2012 and 2013, when Iranian-sponsored hackers shut down computer networks of several major U.S. banks, temporarily interrupting service to their customers. JN also indicated that last year, the U.S. government advised that it had observed a rise in malicious cyber activities perpetuated by Iranian attackers towards U.S. industries and government agencies. In those instances, the U.S. government said the Iranian attackers were increasingly using highly destructive attacks that delete or encrypt data. However, in a statement today withdrawing the comments, JN Group also reiterated that its customers should exercise increased vigilance when using email communications at this time, as there is increased malicious cyber activities online. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $134.12, the Canadian dollar $104.28. The pound sterling is going for $173.44, while the euro sells for $151.95. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 3,730 points today, and the junior market index declined by 9 points. Among the winners, SSL Venture Capital, Dolphin Cove, CAC 2000 9.5% preference shares, Mayberry Investments, and the Siboney Group. On the losing side, we had Main Event Entertainment Group, Portland JSX, Jamaica Producers Group, Consolidated Bakeries, and Berger Paints. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.